Welcome to the Penthouse at St. Moritz, an architectural masterpiece that redefines coastal luxury in the heart of Melbourne. Spanning an extraordinary 700 square metres across two breathtaking levels, this residence commands uninterrupted 360-degree views from Port Phillip Bay to the St Kilda Marina and Melbourne's glittering skyline. Created by visionary architects Fender Katsilidis and Koichi Takada, with interiors by David Hicks, every inch of this home celebrates artistry, craftsmanship, and pure sophistication. Expansive open-plan living areas feature soaring double-height ceilings, floor-to-ceiling windows, and exquisite oak floors. A marble cocktail bar and a state-of-the-art chef's kitchen, complete with Gaggenau appliances, sub-zero refrigeration, and a butler's pantry, set the stage for effortless entertaining. The north-facing terrace extends the living experience outdoors with a heated glass-walled pool, custom barbecue, and panoramic city-to-sea outlooks, perfect for sunset gatherings. The indulgent master suite offers a gas log fireplace, an exquisite marble ensuite, and a dressing room worthy of couture. 5 additional king-size bedrooms, each with private ensuites, provide luxury accommodation for family and guests. Perfectly positioned, moments from St Kilda's beaches, dining, and culture. The Penthouse at St Moritz is more than a home. It's an experience of unbridled luxury and timeless coastal elegance.